Tyler's first 1,000. How a 19-year-old made real money with AI in 28 days. A 19-year-old with zero college degree just made his first $1,000 online in 4 weeks using nothing but free AI tools and a laptop. And here's the wildest part. He had no technical background whatsoever. His name is Tyler. And his story is exactly what you need to hear right now, especially if you've been watching layoffs hit your industry and wondering if there's a real way to make money that doesn't require a degree, doesn't require years of experience, and doesn't require you to be some tech genius. Tyler was working at a grocery store making minimum wage, $11 an hour. He was clocking in every single shift wondering if this was really it, if this was as good as it got. Then, one random Tuesday night, scrolling on his phone at 2 in the morning, he found a YouTube video about making money with AI. He thought it was probably a scam. He watched it anyway. The video talked about writing, specifically about how AI could help you write things that people actually pay for. Not novels, not blog posts nobody reads. Things like product descriptions, email sequences, and something called sales funnels for small business owners who desperately need help but can't afford a marketing agency. Tyler had never written anything for money in his life. But something clicked. He thought, what if I just try this for 30 days? He spent $0 and started learning. He signed up for ChatGPT free version. He watched maybe 5 YouTube tutorials on how to write product descriptions that actually convert. Then he did something most people don't do. He actually started working. He created a simple Fiverr profile. No fancy portfolio, no fancy anything, just honest. I'll write product descriptions using AI tools. His first gig came in 3 days later. A woman selling handmade candles on Etsy needed 50 product descriptions. She offered him $40. Now here is where it gets really good. Tyler spent 4 hours on that job. He used ChatGPT to generate drafts. He spent 90 minutes editing and personalizing them so they actually matched her brand voice instead of sounding robotic. She loved them so much she hired him again, this time for $200, then a third time for $350. By day 14, Tyler had made $830. He wasn't even halfway through his 30-day challenge, and he was already thinking this was actually real. But then something changed. Instead of just taking random gigs, he got smart about it. He realized that small Etsy shop owners and Amazon sellers all needed the same thing: good descriptions, good email sequences, and help writing their product listings. They were willing to pay more if you could do it faster and better. He started bundling his services. Instead of $50 per gig, he started offering packages. 5 product descriptions for $120. A complete shop listing rewrite for $300. Suddenly, his hourly rate went from $10 at the grocery store to something like $70, $80 an hour. By day 28, Tyler hit exactly $1,000. He kept receipts, $2,417 to be precise, in 4 weeks, working from his bedroom using free and cheap AI tools. No experience required, and he didn't stop there. But that's the story right now. The reason I'm telling you Tyler's story today is because layoffs are real. They're hitting truck drivers with automation, nurses with hospital cuts, retail workers with store closures. The old safety net of get a job and keep it is gone for millions of people. But what Tyler figured out is that there's a new skill set that pays, and you can learn it in days, not years. The tools exist. They're free or almost free. And there are real people, right now, today, willing to pay money for the output. So here's my question for you. What skill do you already have that a small business owner would pay for? And what if you could make it 5 times faster using AI? Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a daily AI money tip.